At the age of 11, I began investing in stocks, but lacked an understanding of the fundamental principles. I was intrigued by the fluctuations in stock prices, assuming they were driven by simple market forces. I devoted a great deal of time to studying books on technical analysis, such as those by Edwards and Magee, and reviewed hundreds of pages on numerous occasions. For the first 8 years, I believed that the key to success was to predict stock movements and the stock market itself. At approximately 19 or 20 years of age, I read Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor. That book fundamentally altered my understanding of investing. From that point forward, I ceased to view stocks as mere symbols on a chart. Instead, I began to view stocks as ownership interests in actual businesses. I ceased to be concerned with whether a stock would increase or decrease in value over the next day, week, or month. While I was unsure of the stock market's future trajectory, I had confidence in my understanding of business fundamentals. I have always been a highly capable individual with a strong interest in my field, and I have dedicated my career to developing my expertise. It has been vital for me to surround myself with people who encourage and facilitate the best in me. One does not need to possess genius-level intelligence to succeed in investing. Rather, one simply needs to adopt the appropriate mindset. The majority of investors purchase stocks with the expectation that they will appreciate in value in the near term and experience disappointment when they decline. I consider the potential value of a company 10 or 20 years from now. In some cases, I may even hope for a decline in the stock price when I am buying, as this allows me to acquire more at a better price. My objective has always been to play the game in a way that maximizes my chances of winning. When I purchased my first stock, City Service Preferred, for $114.75 in 1942, I invested my entire net worth. Since that day, I have maintained a minimum of 80% of my assets in American businesses. These are not mere stocks to me. They are integral parts of American enterprise, and I have maintained a consistent investment strategy. I am not interested in accumulating multiple properties or luxury items. My sense of well-being is derived from my professional activities. There are two primary aspects of investing that I find particularly appealing. I'm confident that I will succeed over time because I have a solid understanding of the fundamentals, and I value being trusted by people. I prefer to collaborate with partners than to operate alone, even if it results in a slight reduction in financial compensation. Even in the absence of the stock market, I would still pursue the purchase of private businesses, such as farms or apartment buildings. Investing is the process of allocating capital to ventures with the expectation of long-term returns. It would be beneficial for the general public to view stocks as tangible business investments rather than as mere market trends. The U.S. economy has experienced remarkable growth, with unprecedented levels of wealth generation over the years. There has been a notable increase in the number of individuals with higher incomes than ever before. The opportunities and living standards today are superior to those available to the wealthiest individuals a century ago. The progress in medicine, education, entertainment, and transportation is nothing short of astounding. Despite significant challenges, including the Civil War, the Great Depression, and pandemics, the United States has continued to make progress. Businesses, government, and people have all made significant strides. My advice remains consistent. For long-term investment success, consider indexing, particularly with the S&P 500. Many organizations create indices for different sectors and countries, but Jack Bogle's principle is clear. If you can't pick the right businesses, you can't pick the right sectors or countries either. Investing is simple if you follow the right principles. Focus on owning parts of strong, long-term businesses, and you'll see success. If you want to get important advice from investors who are experts in this field and improve yourself in matters such as finance, economy, investment, making money, money management, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.